cute rabbit bubble. Far away, right next to a field of colorful flowers, there lived a cute little rabbit. The rabbit's name was Bubbles. Bubbles got his name because he was as colorful and cheerful as every bubble he saw. Bubbles spent most of the day playing and jumping for joy in the field of flowers. His friends were amazed by his joy and energy. Every morning, he would start the day with positive energy and spread love throughout the day. One day, colorful balloons fell in a field of flowers. When Bubbles saw these balloons, his eyes lit up. He moved excitedly to catch them and release them into the air. But the balloons were very fast, and catching them was not easy. Bubbles decided to persevere and come up with a plan to catch the balloons. His friends wanted to help him, and together they organized a fun game. They had a lot of fun trying to keep the balloons in the air together. As time went by, Bubble was getting better at handling the balloons. Every day, he went one step further and caught more balloons. His friends envied his perseverance and hard work. One day, Bubbles noticed a group of birds landing in a field of flowers. The birds were digging in the soil for something to eat. As Bubbles watched them, an idea came to him. He called his friends to him, and together they collected small seeds. Then they planted these seeds in the soil where the birds were digging. Bubbles helped the seeds grow by patiently watering and caring for them every day. As time passed, the seeds took root and flowers bloomed. Colorful flowers began to decorate the field. Bubbles and her friends were overjoyed to see the flower field full of beauty and color. Bubbles thanked her friends and told them that each flower was as colorful and cheerful as a bubble. His friends were proud to contribute to his joy. Now, in the flower field, colorful and cheerful flowers bloomed like bubbles. Each flower carried Bubbles' positive energy. The flower field had become a lively place with the determination of Bubbles and the support of her friends. Perseverance, support from friends, and respect for nature can create a world full of beauty and joy. Bubbles was a hero who, with the help of his friends, made the flower field colorful. Each flower spread Bubbles' energy and love to the world.